Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and document. Clean the lens, unlock your phone, and open the camera or a QR scanning app that supports document capture. Hold the document flat on a stable surface and position the QR code in the center of the frame. Keep a 6 to 12-inch distance for most phone cameras. Once done, make sure autofocus locks and exposure is stable. This avoids blur and ensures the code reads correctly. Next, you focus and align precisely. Enable a grid or alignment guide in the camera, then center the QR code so all corners are visible. Partial codes fail. Tap the screen to focus, and if available, lock exposure so lighting changes do not ruin the read. Hold steady, brace your arms, or use a small tripod. If prompted, switch to document mode or high-resolution capture, because sharper images improve decoding accuracy and preserve embedded data. Finally, allow the app to decode and then act on the result. When the QR reader displays the link or document metadata, tap to open, copy, or download. Save a PDF or high-quality image to your device or cloud for records. Make sure to verify the content, confirm sender and file type before sharing. If decoding fails, try better lighting, increase resolution, reposition the camera, or clean the code surface. These fixes resolve most read errors quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.